First impression. We never get a second chance to create our first impression. Today, I'm going to whiz away your mind on how to master the art of creating that first impression. Hey! What's up people? This is Bijan and welcome to my channel WhizMonk. The 4 basic things that you should never forget on your first interaction. And I have one bonus tip at the end of this video which will blow up your mind. So stay tuned till the end. Number 1, be presentable. When I say be presentable, I mean dress appropriately for the occasion. For instance, if you are at work, wear clean formals. And if you are at office party, you can tone it down to semi-formal. And if you are pub hopping, wear casuals that make you look more relaxed and cool. Because it's very important what you wear and how you look. Always remember to wear clothes that are clean, smelling fresh, and ironed properly. The last thing you want to carry with yourself is the baggage of foul-smelling clothes with dirty creases, because they create an impression that you are careless in life, and certainly you don't want people to think like that about you. Am I right? Or am I right? You are right too! Also, being presentable means being comfortable. So choose your attire appropriately so that you look pleasant outside and feel zen inside. Number 2, wear your confidence on your sleeve. Make confidence your accessory. Be confident in whatever you wear, whenever you wear, and wherever you wear, because your confident attitude will bring the best out of you. Make sure that you want to present yourself as a positive human being to get your work done. Point number 3, be fashionably sophisticated in your own way. You know, your regular clothes can also make you look sophisticated. You don't need high-end fashion shopping to give you that incredible look. Your departmental store shopping can also elevate your overall persona. Just make sure that you pick the right color coordination to look sophisticated. Never feel shy from fusion and experimental fashion, but keep utility in mind and avoid wastage. Always remember that basic and classic is never out of vogue. Knowledge. Point number 4. It is said that knowledge is power, and it is so true. When we have prior knowledge about a subject, we understand it better, and it certainly helps us to do better communication. The more knowledgeable you are, the more advantage you have over other people. The better you are equipped to manage yourself and others, the easier your journey of life. Knowledge should let you take the right course in life in a way which is useful to yourself. And last but not the least tip from my end, smile. Please wear your smile all the time because it is the best accessory one can always wear. When you smile, you look attractive. Moreover, smile is infectious and makes other people happy. So make sure that you always smile. Not like this, but you know that. Like this. Yes, you are right. Thank you friends for joining me today for some wishful tips that I have shared with you today on mastering the art of creating that first impression. I personally use these tips in order to outstand my unforgettable impression. I'm sure you are going to practice these tips and implement them in your life, because your first impression is the best impression. Let me know what you think about these tips, and if you have more ideas, please go ahead and write something in the comment section and let me know, so that I can also learn something from you all. You learn, I learn, because at the end of the day, it works hand in hand. Am I right? Yes. If you really like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more tips and tricks for that buzzingly wishful life that I promised you. Remember? Until next week, adios amigos, signing off, your WhizMonk.